So I'm a simple person in life, and I found a way to not have to leave the room on my days off. So I can just relax and not have to leave the room. And so look, my friend bought me an epic coffee maker. That's what I wanted. Small, simple, none of that Keurig crap. Nothing fancy and complicated. Just something to make a cup of coffee. So he made that dream come true. Got my whipped cream, caramel sauce, hazelnut flavored coffee, spring water so I don't have to leave the room to go to the sink to get water, but I use filtered water anyways. And my cup, my hotel napkins from living in a hotel for a while. And my Snickers creamer. I am all set. Yes. So my friend knows me so well that he not only got me a coffee maker that is simple, but he got a reusable filter. I guess it came with the coffee maker, but he does know me very well to know that I'm frugal. I'm so frugal I wouldn't even purchase a coffee maker, but I told him I was wanting to get one, and he got me one because he's a sweetheart. So I'm gonna make my cup of coffee. Oh, the simple things in life. I'm so excited. It's alive. It works. Did I show you my caramel and whipped cream? It's epic. And now, for a moment of awesomeness. Not sure what the serving size is, and I don't care. So pretty. I don't know how to do it like the baristas do, but it's on there, and I'm gonna drink it. Eat it, whatever at the top. Eat the top, drink the coffee. Oh, yes. Oh, I don't think it's quite pointy enough. Probably a little more. I need some sprinkles next time. And now this is failing. That's gonna be delicious.